So hi team, this is a video demo for our client concerned about to add Instagram username. It's not adding on the virtual office. So here's a video demo. Thing is, if they added Instagram here, it is not working. So I'm going to replicate the issue here. The issue is this is here Instagram. When you added that and click outside, it will be removed. Now, if you search on Instagram, this is her Instagram. This is the user on our virtual office. Okay, so this is her ID on the Instagram. So I've noticed here that if you will add a random letters, it will not be removed even when you click outside. Now, if you add this one with a special character or the period, it will remove. But the problem is the Instagram of this client is this. Okay, and there are other Instagram that have a period or a symbol on their names. So that's the problem. But if you will add just letters, no symbols, it will work. So let's try to test on our demo account here. Okay, so let's try this demo account. So let's go to profile and click social. So as you can see, the Instagram is added here. So I've added this here. So the Instagram icon is showing and the link is showing also. But the problem, if the IG or the IG ID of the customer has a symbol, it will automatically deleted on this. But the problem is there are user that using a special character as a symbol under Instagram ID. So as you can see, if we will add a period or a symbol, it will be deleted or removed. Okay, so that's the concern of our client. Thank you.